Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I'm Jack and this is Conrad. It's not Conrad. Welcome back. I am Jack and this is Sasha from Harvest Dental. How are you doing, Sasha?
I'm well, Jack. How are you doing? Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to allow me to come in.
Sasha, Harvest has had a long tradition of developing phenomenal products that filled a desperate need within the industry. And today we looked at a new product that you're about to launch called Harvest Dental Gum Strip. Why don't you tell me a little bit more about it and why you developed it?
Yeah, thank you, Jack. Harvest, as a product developer, we have a methodology, and that is to identify categories and look to disrupt them. And so with Gum Strip, what we looked at was the composite category, and the traditional method of composite distribution is syringe.
Right.
And it's, while it does look aesthetic, it's also very time consuming. And so, we basically applied our product methodology, which is vision, find the category, define the convention, what do all of these products do the same, and then use that convention as the catalyst for a disruption. And so we developed a product that essentially is a strip.
Right.
And you lay it across the facial of a hybrid or a denture. So then basically what you do is you just pull off the papillas and you're done. And so for us, we believe in the business side of aesthetics.
Right.
And so we believe that this product addresses the business side of aesthetics.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely brilliant. And I can tell you there really is a tremendous need for a material such as gum strip. So I'm really excited for its official debut. I got to look at it today, really liked what I seen, enjoyed using it, and I think you're gonna love it too. Thank you, Sasha, for joining us today. Thank you for bringing Gum Strip by, and catch us next time on another episode of Absolute Talks.